to know how quickly I clean my my lashes, please keep on watching. Okay, guys, let's start. Okay, what you need is the makeup your makeup cleanser or makeup remover. Using it with the water base, not the oil base. Otherwise, if you use the oil base, you might be ending up damaging your lashes bands. And you also need your used lashes, a tweezer, and some cotton tips, and also your paper towel. It's very important that you need to have clean hands and a clean and sanitized area. So I'm taking out the first band. Okay, I might have to put it that way first. Okay, we'll just work one lashes at a time. Okay, what I'll do next is to dip in the cleanser to the cotton tip, and what I'll do, I'll clean the lashes first by going a front and back motion. Flip this over on the other side so I can see it's not much dirt in there, but still dirty. Okay, it's the same step as we were cleaning it on the other side of the lashes. After that, I'll be working on cleaning the lash band. I'll twist out any dried lashes, but be careful not to damage the band. Yeah, and then just turn it around. There's the more residue of the glue is still there. Yeah, just wipe my my tweezers, so in that way I'll be able to twist more of the glue. Clean your eyelashes gently, and if you can try to clean them after use, you'll be able to have a use of them longer. Okay, I'm gonna go and clean the band now. Okay, so it's the same way. I actually dipped the cotton tip on the makeup remover, makeup cleanser. Okay, so I'm happy with that, so I'm just gonna put it back in here. Right, guys, they look brand new again. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I actually help you. And if you haven't subscribed on my channel, please subscribe now. And please don't forget to click the notification bell, and please don't forget to like and share my video. And I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.